our channel. So we just got back from our trip and we traveled 9 hours with 3 toddlers ages 1 and 3. How did we do it? Well, keep watching as I give you tips and tricks how to survive in a long car drive with your kids. I'm just going to make this video short and simple as possible. So let's go jump in to tip number 1. My first tip will be wear comfortable clothes. Not just for you, but most especially your kids. Your kids will be sitting on their car seat for a long time, and it's so hard to be in the car seat for a long time. You can't barely move and reposition yourself. So please do your kids a favor by wearing them a comfortable clothes, a loose clothes and breathable clothes that will allow them to move freely. And make sure those diapers are dry. Tip number 2, bring foods, drinks, and milk. I would suggest don't buy foods or give them foods that are messy like chocolates, muffins, foods that can be easily mashed. So for me, in my opinion, the best way to go is fruits. It's not messy and most especially it's healthy.
It's okay, welcome. What are you having, Seth? Banana too? Okay.
Tip number 3. Buy toys or bring toys along with your trip. It doesn't need to be like extravagant or expensive. As long as it can attract their attention, that will work just fine. Tip number 4, don't forget to bring trash bags and paper towels. These 2 things are very important because, for example, in our case, when we're on the way there, Seth was eating and then he suddenly choked on his food and started vomiting. Fortunately, I have trash bag and paper towel, so I just wiped it all out, put it in a trash bag. The dirty clothes I put in a trash bag. It makes it so much easier and less stress. So my tip number 5 would be bring extra clothes for each kid. When I say bring extra clothes, not in the luggage, but in your bag or in your diaper bag where you can easily grab it and just take it all out. Because you don't want to take out all the luggage, dig inside and get some clothes in there. It's just so much stress. And you don't want stress along the way. My tip number 6 would be arrange the stuff in your car according to importance. What I mean by that is put food, clothes, diaper bags, trash bags, towels within your reach. While you're on the way, your movement is very minimal. Make sure that everything is within your reach. Tip number 7, make sure to put on music that the kids would love to listen to. Like in our case, my boys love nursery rhymes. So while we're on the way, we put Pandora or Spotify on and just select nursery rhymes and they were fine. You can even fall asleep listening to nursery rhymes, so it's a very good trick.
Mama shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Tip number 8, Make sure that you interact with your kids. Ask them often if they're okay, how are they doing, do they need anything. And while you're listening to music, you can sing along with them. And it makes the trip more fun.
Are you guys singing? What? That again? How about something else? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout. Yay!
Tip number 9. Go to stopovers at least once, because your kids also needs to stretch their body, and so are you and the driver. So it is a must to at least go to stopovers, go to the bathroom, change your kids' diapers, give them snack, and just freshen up.
We stopped over so we can have a snack and let the boys rest for a bit out of the car seat. So we're just inside the car because it's raining outside.
Mommy!
And
Mommy!
just eating our snacks.
Mommy!
And finally, tip number 10. What if you've already done everything and your kids still started crying, throwing tantrums? What are you gonna do? My advice will be leave them alone. Yes, guys, don't do anything, don't talk to them, just leave them alone because they are just sleeping. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 10 tips and tricks for a stress-free long drive with your kids. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on our next video.